Alright, we're back with more Angelina. We've got Fire and Rain up next. We just reacted to Good and Goodbyes, Diamond. So be on the lookout for those, okay? Yeah, let's knock out Fire and Rain and see what's going on here. Alright, let's go.
If I go far from home, I still know I'm not alone. You're wherever I'll be, 'cause I carry you with me. If the sky gets too dark, I just look for my North Star. Finding you is easy, 'cause I carry you with me. Ain't no mountain high that I'm not gonna climb. No river is too wide, valley too low, the places that I go. Fire
Yes, Cindy.
Keep throwing on my way. I know how much I can take. I get stronger from the pain. Fire try to break me, I'll be okay. I risk it all, I know I'm brave. Getting stronger every day. 'Cause I'll never going down, never gonna ever hit the ground. Fire and rain. 'Cause I'm never going down, never gonna ever hit the ground. Fire and rain.
Okay.
Well, I cry maybe with you by my side. I know I'm alright. Sweet dreams I'm making through the dark and cold. Ain't no mountain high that I'm not gonna climb. No river is too wide, valley too low, the places that I go. Fire and rain keep throwing on my way. I know how much I can take. I get stronger from the pain. Fire and rain try to break me, I'll be okay. I risk it all, I know I'm brave. Getting stronger every day. 'Cause I'm never going down, never gonna ever hit the ground. Fire and rain.
Time out. I want to talk about the song. Fire and Rain, right? I'm never going down. I'm never gonna break. Fire and Rain. Hold on.
Never going down, never gonna ever hit the ground. Fire and rain.
Never going down, never gonna hit the ground. Fire and Rain. You know, when I think of like Fire and Rain, I'm thinking about like a disaster that could have happened, but it was stopped in time. Or because like, of course, if a fire started and rain came about, you know, it would put the fire out, stop any destruction that could have happened, and saved the situation. Or something, you know, getting stopped before it could even really get started, you know. And she's also saying, you know, never going down, never gonna hit the ground. Huh.
Going down, never gonna ever hit the ground. Fire and rain. 'Cause I'm never going down, never gonna ever hit the ground. Fire and rain. If I go far from home, I still know I'm not alone. You're wherever I'll be, 'cause I carry you with me.
I wonder what this is about. If I go far from home, I still know I'm not alone. You're wherever I'll be, 'cause I carry you with me. I know she's made songs for her grandpa, right? So it could be be, I don't know exactly. I don't want to say some stuff and be wrong, but it could be about grandpa or somebody that's passed, or you know, look for my North Star. Is it grandpa, you guys? If the sky gets too dark, I'll just look for my North Star. Finding you is easy because I carry you with me. Ain't no mountain high that I'm not gonna climb. Mountain. Just mentioning the mountain. No river's too wide with you in my mind. Saying it's alright. Fire and rain. Keep throwing it all my way. I know how much I can take. I get stronger from the pain. Fire and rain try to break me. I'll be okay. Risk it all. I know I'm brave. Getting stronger every day. Fire and rain. How are you guys interpreting the fire and rain? Because I'm never going down, never going to hit the ground. Fire and rain. Will I cry? Maybe. With you by my side, I know I'm alright. Sweet dreams I'm making. Through the dark and cold. Ain't no mountain high that I'm not going to climb. Basically, she's just going to keep it moving. She's going to keep it moving, bruh. She did 1,000,000 miles. Yeah. That's the song I was thinking of, too. 1,000,000 miles. Interesting. Interesting. Mortality. Fire and rain. Mortality. Alright. Interesting, though. That was a good song. Let's read some comments. Hold up. Every song on this EP is 10 out of 10 without exaggeration. Thank you, Angelina, for bringing joy and happiness into my life. I've been a DJ for 40 years, and in MHO, this album is a masterpiece. Every single track could chart. It will be a classic. Love this song. Angelina said as a little girl she wanted to be a superstar. All she had to do was pick the time, and it's here, angels. Congrats, Angelina. The best new voice on the planet. New to a lot of people, but not for long. Love from Norway. Angelina, what an EP. Incredibly creative, full of variety, vocal dexterity. I'm going to be listening all weekend. Thank you so much, Grandma Ellen. Blowing kisses your way. Yep, Grandma Ellen. Alright. Each song's a masterpiece. What a time to be alive. Speechless after a wonderful night listening to her new songs. Such brilliance. So proud of Angelina. The EP is everything I hoped it would be and so much more. I'm really falling in love with this song. I could listen to it over and over again. You can really feel her pour her heart into this one. Yeah. It had a lot of heart and emotion in it. Yeah, anywho's, hey, that was Angelina. Fire and Rain. Very good song. If you like what you heard here, I will link her channel in the description below. Show Angelina some love. Other than that, I will see you in the next video. All right? Brandon out.